this video, I am going to discuss about Japanese study techniques that boost productivity. Japanese study techniques are renowned for their effectiveness in boosting productivity and improving learning outcomes. By incorporating these Japanese study techniques into your routine, you can enhance your productivity, stay organized, and improve your overall learning experiences. The first one is Kaizen, which means continuous improvement. It's about making small regular changes to your study habits to become more efficient over time. For example, you might start by organizing your notes better or setting specific study times. These little adjustments add up, making your study process smoother and more effective. Shoshin, or beginner's mind. This method encourages approaching learning with an open and curious attitude like a beginner. Even if you are familiar with a subject, always be eager to learn more. This mindset helps you discover new insights and understand concepts deeply, improving your overall learning experiences. Now, Ikigai. Ikigai means a reason for being. It's about finding what you love, what you are good at, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for. When studying, align your effort with your passion and purpose. This connection makes learning more meaningful and motivates you to stay productive. Sisa Kanko, or pointing and calling, is a method used to improve focus and memory. When studying, physically point to and verbally confirm tasks or key points. For instance, when checking off items on a study list, point to each item and say its name aloud to reinforce memory. Nemawashi involves laying the groundwork before making changes or decisions. In studying, it means preparing thoroughly before starting a new topic. Gather all necessary materials, understand the basics, and set clear goals. This preparation ensures a smooth and effective learning process. Kanban. Kanban is a visual task management system. Use a Kanban board with columns like to do or in progress and done to organize study tasks. Write tasks on sticky notes and move them across columns as you progress. This method helps you visualize your workload and stay organized. Hase is the practice of self-reflection. Regularly think about your study sessions to identify what worked well and what did not. Use these reflections to improve your future study habits. This ongoing evaluation helps you learn from mistakes and continuously enhance your study techniques. Kintsugi is the art of repairing broken pottery with gold, highlighting its flaws as a part of its history. Apply this study to embarrassing mistakes and setbacks as learning opportunities. Instead of being discouraged by failures, view them as valuable experiences that contribute to your growth. 5S methodology, which involves sort, set in order, sign, standardize, and sustain. For studying, keep your workspace organized. Remove unnecessary items, arrange materials neatly, clean regularly, establish consistent organization practices, and maintain this order. A tidy study space boosts efficiency and focus. Shinrin-Yoku, or forest bathing, means spending time in nature to improve well-being. Take breaks to walk in a park or study in a natural setting. Nature reduces stress, enhances mood, and improves cognitive function, making your study sessions more productive and enjoyable. Mottainai is about avoiding waste and making the most of resources. Apply this to studying by using your time and materials efficiently. Avoid procrastination and unproductive activities. Focus on effective study method and make the most every study session to enhance learning outcomes. Wanpaku refers to playful learning. Incorporate fun and creativity into your study routine to make learning enjoyable. Use educational games, creative projects, or interactive activities. This playful approach keeps you engaged and can help you understand and remember complex subjects better. Now, Pomodoro technique. Its origin is not actually Japan, but it is widely used in Japan. The Pomodoro technique involves working for 25 minutes, then taking a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break. This method helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. By breaking study time into manageable intervals, you can stay productive and keep your mind fresh. Muda, Mura, Muri are concepts from lean manufacturing. Waste, unevenness, and overload. In studying, eliminate activities that don't add value, that is Muda. Create a balanced study schedule, that is Mura, and avoid overloading yourself with too much at once, that is Muri. This approach improves efficiency and reduces stress. Now, which study method is the most effective according to you and why? Discuss some secret methods for studying.